In today's video, we will be talking about the best places to visit in Sydney.
6.
Sydney Opera House. This iconic landmark is a must-see for anyone visiting Sydney. The Sydney Opera House is a world-renowned performing arts center and one of the most recognizable buildings in the world. It is home to a variety of performance spaces, hosting a wide range of events from classical music to contemporary dance, theater, and more. Visitors can attend a show or take a behind-the-scenes tour to learn about the history and architecture of this incredible structure. And with stunning views of the harbor and city skyline, the Opera House offers a one-of-a-kind experience that should not be missed.
5.
Taronga Zoo. Located on the shores of Sydney Harbour, Taronga Zoo is home to over 4,000 animals from 350 species. The zoo offers a unique opportunity to observe and learn about a wide range of creatures from around the world. Taronga Zoo also offers a stunning view of Sydney Harbour and the city skyline. With a cable car ride, interactive exhibits, and up-close animal encounters, it's an experience that's sure to be memorable for visitors of all ages. Don't miss the chance to get up close and personal with koalas, kangaroos, and other iconic Australian wildlife. 4. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Another iconic Sydney landmark, and probably the most well-known too, is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. The largest steel arch bridge on the planet, spans one of the globe's finest natural harbors and offers some truly breathtaking views. Take a guided climb to the top of the bridge for a once-in-a-lifetime experience, or simply enjoy the views from one of the many vantage points around the harbor. 3. Royal Botanical Garden. Located in the heart of Sydney, the Royal Botanical Garden, better known as the oldest botanical gardens in Australia, is a leafy 74-acre oasis adorned with ornamental plants, rolling lawns, and ancient trees, with a mix of both native and international species. Take a walk in the gardens, relax on the lawns, or join a guided tour to learn about the history and significance of the plants and trees. Ensure to subscribe to this channel and give the video a like.
2.
Darling Harbour. Darling Harbour is a vibrant entertainment precinct that offers for everyone. From waterfront restaurants and bars to museums and attractions, there's plenty to see and do here. Don't miss the chance to take a ride on the Ferris wheel or explore the underwater world. 1. Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach is one of Australia's most iconic and popular beaches. With its white sands, stunning ocean views, and golden sunshine, Bondi Beach is the perfect place to relax and unwind. Whether you are a local or visiting Sydney for the first time, Bondi Beach has something for everyone. From surfing and swimming to beach volleyball, Bondi Beach is the ideal place to get active. This world-renowned beach is also home to a variety of restaurants, cafes, and bars, so you can always find something to eat and drink. You can even take a stroll along the nearby promenade and take in the beautiful coastal views. But no visit to Bondi would be complete without exploring the beach's many cultural attractions. Check out the Bondi markets for handmade crafts, artwork, and clothing, or the many boutiques, galleries, and museums that line the streets. No matter what you do, Bondi Beach is the perfect place to escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Make the most of this idyllic beach in your leisure period and experience its magic. This video was sponsored by FlyCheapDeal.com.